Hello students, I am Sridhar Jalapati and welcome to my YouTube channel Sridhar Jalapati Aptitude Classes. Today in this video I have come up with something important, something very good for you. Let me share that with you first of all. My YouTube channel Sridhar Jalapati Aptitude Classes is about to reach 10,000 subscribers. This I have started exactly a year ago, last year during this corona, just to engage myself and also to help my students. Normally I visit engineering colleges to train the students who are preparing for these campus placements and other competitive exams like GATE, GRE, CAT. I was not into social media or YouTube channel before that, but last year this COVID forced me to start YouTube channel. Initially I got very low response because my channel did not reach too many students and I have not done any kind of marketing. But now slowly as I am uploading these placement exams, recently I have uploaded Tech Mahindra exam, off-campus recruitment exam papers, original questions. I have got good response from the learners. Before that I have uploaded InfyTQ questions. You can see number of videos in my YouTube channel, and I have made a logical reasoning live session for a week, every day 7 o'clock session on topics like Venn diagram, coding, decoding, letter series, number series, blood relations, clocks, calendars. You can see that. And that before that I have uploaded videos on TCS NQT preparation, topic wise as well as previous exams, mock exams. So I have done Wipro NLTH recruitment exam papers, GATE preparation, 1 or 2 videos on GATE preparation, probability, CTS original papers, and also mock exams, topic wise preparation. So I have done more than 100 videos so far in my YouTube channel, and now slowly I have started getting good response and good encouragement from the students. At the same time I have started a Telegram channel couple of months ago, and that also crossed 2000 subscribers. Now it has reached 2225 subscribers. I have been sharing the PDF material free of cost. You can see the materials what I have shared here. Files, 19 PDF files I have shared on Tech Mahindra, InfyTQ, on topic wise preparation, practice questions, lot to come. At the same time all my YouTube videos links are also there. Not all the videos, but whatever the videos I have uploaded recently I have shared. So just to help my subscribers, just to make them engaged during this pandemic situation, I am offering something very nice for you, which will be very useful. Now I have come up with something called topic wise tests. Let me tell you what are these topic wise tests. From both quantitative ability and logical reasoning, I am shortlisting some 10 to 15 questions depending on the lengthiness of the topic and models available in each topic, and I am sharing the test paper in my Telegram channel before making the video. For example, today morning if I share the paper in the Telegram channel, evening 8 o'clock I will be making a live session discussing that paper. So like this, every day I will be sharing the test paper in my Telegram channel, PDF paper for free of cost in advance. I will be giving you some time to practice. But one thing is, you need to practice the test taking the time limit into consideration. It's not that you should take it as a practice one, you will take 1 hour, 2 hours to solve those 10 questions. No. Whenever you take the test, if I upload the paper in the morning, if I share the paper in my Telegram channel in the morning, till evening I go to live. Whenever you get time, but in the time when you start the test, make sure that you will finish it in that 15 minutes or 20 minutes time, whatever is allocated for the test. And 8 o'clock I will be coming live to discuss that paper. Even if you get the answers for those questions in the test paper, I suggest you to attend the live session so that you will come to know the methods. Sometimes what happens, you may get the answer by doing nothing, or sometimes just by guessing, or sometimes you did not even know what you have done but you got the answer. That should not be the case, right? The case should be, if similar kind of question is asked to you every time, you should be in a position to answer. And the method should be without using formula, without using too many calculations. So that's why attend the live session so that you will understand the methods even after you getting the answer. So this is what I'm planning, and these kind of topic wise tests for quantitative ability as well as logical reasoning are useful for all competitive exams, be it higher education entrance exams like GRE, GATE, CAT, and also this banking sector, bank POs, clerks, and also for groups, civil services, PSUs, last but not least for all IT recruitment exams. TCS, NQT, Infosys, Tech Mahindra, Google, Microsoft, because more or less the syllabus for aptitude is same. It is the syllabus. Now only the level of difficulty varies. So that's the reason I am going to start this. If I get good response from you, from tomorrow itself I'll start this topic wise test. For that, I want you to comment your opinion in the comment section. I want you to express your willingness, so that if I get good response and good number of people are ready to attend my live sessions, then I will start tomorrow itself. Right? So hope you will definitely get benefit out of this program. And I'm sure the test what I'm going to prepare, those PDF tests what I'm going to prepare, will definitely help you to crack all those competitive exams. So do not forget to like this video, and do not forget to express your willingness about this program. If more people are interested to attend this program, by the way, this is for free of cost. I'm not charging. All the classes are for free. All the tests are also for free. But I just need audience so that I can make live sessions more interactive and more energetic. Right? So that is the reason I'm asking your willingness. So if you comment with your willingness and if you share your opinion on this, then I will start tomorrow itself. Thank you.